set of stairs that way. Walt Disney Theatre on deck 4.
Okay.
All right. So check it out. We have made it onto the Disney Magic. Here you go. Let's give a quick room tour. Let's start down here. Not as big a room as what we had on the Wish for sure, but in the Fantasy, but it's fine for 2 people easily. Look what we got, guys. We got the Disney Cruise Line Bluetooth speaker. And we got some, what is this?
Beach bag.
A beach bag?
Remember? With the
We got our
dry bag.
wet and dry bag
And these.
and our little lanyards, which we don't need because we've got magic bands.
But they're cute.
We've already got those. We've already
I
got all
know.
that. So this is the bedroom. It's not that big. And so as you can see, we got a porthole room. This is going to be our room for 9 days. Got your mirror right here. You got your light up closet with your drawers. You want to get those drawers. Alright. This is the door to enter the room. Here's our bathroom. As you can see, it's just like normal Disney Magic room. And here's our shower. Mama needs to get a shower mat. It's a square tub instead of a round one, which is better. There's the bathroom. So it's not that big, but you know, it'll work.